but this can be evaluated at the site. And as he has mentioned that we will not put as per calculation, I will put as per assessment contour.
Okay.
So this will go case to case basis, and because we cannot make it allowed or R here, that is not good. This is carrying high risk, so we must make it P here. And you have liberty and option to discuss with the company at the time of actual work for doing the realistic risk assessment. Correct? Okay, guys. So we are up to B6. We have quantified. I understand there is a limitation of space and you have high risk activities, and this is not a pleasant situation for the contractor as well as company. Well, company is also not happy because company has a lot of risk, and we cannot allow simply these jobs with the restrictions. Okay. B7, we are saying drilling, tripping, running, casing completion. I think this has comparatively less risk, and we are making in the category of restrictions. And this has to be supported by specific method statement, which has to be reviewed by all stakeholders, and this has to be assessed completely. And additional risk control safeguards must be identified